and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a rainbow. These are the colors that you'll be needing: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark purple, and white. You'll be needing some paper and your fingers. Don't forget to share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag #ArtForKids. Let's begin. First things first, you can't have a rainbow if you don't have a rain cloud, because rainbows happen because the sun shines through rain. So first things first, I'm gonna make a rain cloud. I'm gonna go in with my purple and my blue. I'm gonna use clean finger, and we're gonna mix those two together. Using another clean finger, I'm gonna go in with white and put a little bit of that next to it and mix that up. That is going to be our shadow of our rain cloud, that color. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna make kind of some little swirly movements with my finger. Just do some little swirls for our rain cloud, like so. And maybe I'm gonna add a little bit more white. Add a little bit of white, mix that up. Let's throw a little bit of white on top of our rain cloud. It's not completely dark and sad. It's got a little bit of lightness in there. It's trying to be happy. It's really trying. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm gonna go in, add a little bit more of our blue and purple and darken that, because you gotta have, the bottom's gotta be super dark, because that is where the rain is coming from. So you can have the top be light, but you wanna have the bottom where that rain is coming in. You wanna have that part be super duper dark. So we'll get that purple going, and that is going to be where our rain cloud is. Like, whoa, there it is. Maybe some lightning will strike from that cloud. Throw a little highlight on there. See, this is how we create depth and layers and clouds. So we got a little bit of a rain cloud going on. And now I'm gonna clean my fingers up, and we're gonna make a rainbow just shining in between that rain cloud. Should we add another rain cloud? I think we are. We're gonna add one more rain cloud, because you gotta have those dark rain clouds in order to have that bright, shiny, super happy rainbow. Life is kind of like that too sometimes. Sometimes it's only when everything is terrible that you really start to appreciate the good things, because it's very easy when things are really good to forget how good they are. All right, so we've got this darker cloud right here. We're gonna add our little lighter, whiter color, and we're just gonna throw a little bit of that on top. That's the sun peeping through. It's trying, it's really trying. But it's still pretty dark clouds. Okay, there we go. So we have that, but let's put a rainbow just shining right in between the two. Let's get a little crazy. This doesn't have to be realistic. Let's do something totally outside of the box, and let's do like a big old rainbow road. So I'm gonna take the red, and I'm gonna start it here, and I'm going to just kind of do a little whoosh. Oh yeah. We're going bold, we're having fun. That is a color right there. That is red as red can be. Okay, there we have it. Okay, and let's do some orange. So, rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But indigo and violet are kind of hard to distinguish. So we're just gonna kind of blend these colors together. There is our orange. We're just gonna do a purple today. And I'm gonna make sure that these bottoms just kind of trail off. They're just gonna trail off. I'm gonna go in with our yellow. Almost said white. That's not white, that's yellow. And we're just continuing on our colors. And yellow and blue make green. So if we cover up a little bit of that, that's gonna be okay. Just trail off. Our yellow trailing off, now our green. We're gonna make it really thin here at the top, just super thin. And then we're gonna get very big and bold right here. Like so. And if we color over our cloud, that's okay. We can color over our cloud again and fix it. It's just paint, no worries. We're just having fun making this big old rainbow in the sky. Going into our blue. And if you remember, a lot of the colors in this cloud are blues and purples anyways. So it's all good. It's all good. So coloring in our blue. And next we're gonna do our purple. Then we're gonna finish and fix this cloud right here. Ah, yeah. Look at that. I want to just slide down it. This reminds me of a cartoon when I was a kid called Rainbow Bright. This just makes me want to slide on this cloud. Like, if only you could. If only rainbows or big giant like water slides you could just slide down. Wouldn't that be fun? All right, I'm taking some blue and white and I'm mixing it, and we're just going to add to this cloud right here, just to make it stand out from that purple. See, just like that. And we got our cloud back. It didn't go far. It was just building up more character. More character, like so. There we go, we've got our two clouds, and where's this rainbow going to lead to? Let's make a little tiny hill. We're gonna add a little bit of purple to that green to make a darker color. Make a deep, deep green that we're gonna put in the foreground or the front. Put it close to us, and then it's gonna make this green really, really pop, like so. Should we add some water? I think I need to throw a little bit of like water right here. Oh, see? Just that, just that. There we go. We've got a whole little scene there. We've got a rainbow coming from the sky, sliding all the way down to this little grassy hill by the water. What do you guys think? We have our painting, ta-da! There it is. I really hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today and painting. It was so much fun, and I will see you next time. Be sure to share it with your friends if you enjoy it, and sending lots of love to you guys. Bye!